So next we will talk about boiling point. Boiling point. What is boiling point? Boiling point is actually the temperature for any liquid when its vapor pressure becomes equal to the surrounding pressure or atmospheric pressure. That is the temperature for any liquid when the vapor pressure of that liquid becomes equal to its surrounding pressure or its atmospheric pressure. That is named as boiling point. ठीक है? So boiling point is actually basically, for example, at higher altitudes, that is the question always asked, at higher altitudes liquid boils or water boils at low temperature, because at higher altitudes we know very well atmospheric pressure is less. So if the atmospheric pressure is less there, it means we have to provide the lesser temperature to make the vapors. So it means the liquid will boil easily, right? Because the vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. That is named as boiling point. Okay, for example, I am taking this glass of water in a closed container, right, at a particular temperature. For example, I am applying here temperature, suppose 40 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now the water is heating up. Okay. Vapors are being formed here. Okay. Liquid is converted into vapors. Now these vapors will exert some pressure on this liquid, and at 100 degrees centigrade, for pure water, at 100 degrees centigrade, the pressure exerted by the liquid will be equal to atmospheric pressure. Its vapor pressure will be equal to its atmospheric pressure. For example, बाहर जो atmospheric pressure है, suppose करो 1 atmosphere है, तो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਵੀ ਲਿਕੁਇਡ ਉਦੋਂ ਬੋਇਲ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲੇ 1 ਐਟਮੋਸਫੀਅਰ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੇਪਰਸ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਰਾਊਂਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ that is named as boiling point. At 100 degree centigrade, water boils. What does it mean? It means for pure water, its vapor pressure becomes equal to its atmospheric pressure. Now, if you're going to heat this glass of water at any hill station, you have to apply the lesser temperature rather than that of this, lesser temperature. Reason being that at higher altitudes, the atmospheric pressure is less. For example, इत्थे मैनू जो है 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड जो है वो मेरा ਛੇਤੀ ਅਰਾਈਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ। ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਐਟਮੋਸਫੇਰਿਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ 1 ਐਟਮੋਸਫੇਅਰ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਜੇ ਐਟਮੋਸਫੇਰਿਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ 1 ਐਟਮੋਸਫੇਅਰ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਹਾਫ ਐਟਮੋਸਫੇਅਰ ਹੋ ਜੇ, तो अगर हाफ एटमोसफीयर है तो वेपर्स ਨੂੰ ਘੱਟ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਨੀ ਪਏਗੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਐਕਸਰਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ वेपर प्रेशर एटमोसफेरिक प्रेशर ही घट है। तो इसलिए आई हैव टू अप्लाई हेयर लेसर टेम्परेचर, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई द वाटर बॉयल्स easily, or water boils at the low temperature at the hill stations, right? So that's why at higher altitudes the liquid boils at low temperature. Liquid boils at low temperature at the higher altitudes because their atmospheric pressure is less, right? Even at the hill stations, vegetables are always cooked with the help of pressure cooker. With the help of pressure cooker. What's the reason behind that? Because at hill stations we know very well, if you are not going to use this pressure cooker, what will happen? Water will boil easily. So if water will boil easily, vegetables will remain non basically cooked, right, or less cooked, right? So they will be not perfectly cooked. Okay, so that's why to cook the vegetables perfectly we have to apply or more pressure, means we have to use the pressure cooker, right? So that with the help of pressure cooker there will be more pressure, right? So due to more pressure the vegetables will be cooked easily, because the surrounding pressure is, because the atmospheric pressure is less and water boils easily and vegetables are not perfectly cooked. So that's why at the hill stations we have to use the pressure cooker to cook the vegetables perfectly. Okay, so that is all about the boiling point, right? Next we'll talk about surface tension. Surface tension. What is surface tension? That is also like evaporation, that is a surface phenomenon. What is surface tension? ਬੇਟਾ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਕੁਇਡ ਹੈ, तो ਆਪਾਂ ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਲਿਕੁਇਡ ਹੈ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਔਰ ਇਹ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲਸ ਹੈ ਲਿਕੁਇਡ, ਫॉर एग्जांपल ਵਾਟਰ ਹੀ ਹੈ। तो जो ਤਾਂ ਬਲਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲਸ ਆਪਣੀ ਤਰਫ ਅਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਗੇ, तो ਨੈਟ ਪੁੱਲ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, जीरो हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हर कोई उन्होंने अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा, तो नेट पुल की हो गया, जीरो हो गया, नेट फोर्स जीरो हो गया। वट अबाउट द मॉलिक्यूल्स दैट आर प्रेजेंट एट द सरफेस? ਹੁਣ जो मॉलिक्यूल सरफेस ਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਤਾਂ ਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਗੀ ਨਾ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੋ ਮੋਲੀਕਿਊਲਸ ਨੀਚੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਤਰਫ ਅਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਗੇ, बट नैट इफैक्ट जो है वो जीरो नहीं होएगा, फोर्स जीरो नहीं होएगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने हर तरफ तो अट्रैक्ट नहीं किया जा रहा, उन्होंने सिर्फ इनवर्ड पुल है जोड़ा वो दिता जा रहा है। तो अगर इनवर्ड पुल है तो उन्होंने कैंसल करने लिए आउटवर्ड पुल या अपर पुल भी तो होना जरूरी सी। सो देयर इज नो अपर पुल, राइट? सो दैट्स वाई द नेट फोर्स डजंट बिकम इक्वल टू जीरो। So that's why that tension caused at the surface of any liquid is named as surface tension, right? That is named as surface tension. The inward pull applied by the other molecules of any liquid at the molecule that is present at the surface. So that is named as surface tension. And surface tension is also defined as surface tension is also defined as the work that must be done, that is work that must be done to increase the free surface area of any liquid, of any liquid by 1 unit at constant temperature. That is the inward pull applied to the molecule that is present at the surface is named as surface tension. That is also defined in some books like work done, that is all the work that must be done to increase the free surface area of any liquid by 1 unit at constant temperature, right? So that's why that is named as surface tension, right? So surface tension, the factors that affect the surface tension are actually same, the nature of the liquid and temperature, right? So with the increase in temperature the surface tension decreases because the intermolecular forces become decrease, right? So with the increase in temperature surface tension decreases. Any force decreases with the increase in temperature, so surface tension also decreases with the increase in temperature because kinetic energy increases, and the molecules at the surface also has more kinetic energy with the increase in temperature, so that's why the surface tension will decrease here. Nature of liquid, the molecules that possess strong forces they possess more surface tension. Molecules with stronger forces will possess more surface tension, right? So that is all about the surface tension.